Hello all, welcome to a new video. This will be a very short video on the progress of Purple Line Kolkata Metro after Majirhat. So currently Purple Line Metro Kolkata is running on weekdays with 72 services in 21-minute intervals. However, the services are yet to be extended beyond Majirhat. In today's video, we will be checking out how far the Majirhat line has progressed beyond Majirhat. That is the section from Mominpur onwards. Showing in front of you is the actual location of Mominpur metro station. Mominpur metro station is going to be the last metro station which will be elevated on the Purple Line Kolkata metro. As you can see, these are the in progress parts of the elevated station just before approaching the same, and just past the Mominpur signal, the station building construction progress can be seen. Let me now show you where the elevated section will change into an underground section. The screen you are seeing, the construction work that is going on here is for the ramp that is going to connect the elevated and underground sections between Mominpur and Khiratpur stations. And this is the actual location where this particular underground interface will be built. We are now right beside the St. Thomas School grounds, and this particular area has been taken temporarily for the purpose of construction of the underground section of the Kolkata Metro Purple Line. Khiratpur station is a very congested area. Therefore, this particular area has to be built in an underground process by using TBMs. TBMs, that is tunnel boring machines. Those two shafts yellow that you are seeing, that is part of the construction of the shaft from where the TBM will be introduced. Finally, seen in the distance of Maidan grounds is the actual location for Kolkata Metro Purple Line Esplanade station. Esplanade happens to be the second last station of Purple Line Kolkata Metro, and the next station will be in Eden Gardens. That station work cannot be shown here because I was on my way to a different location on this date, and this is where the video comes to an end.